Fire view, guys. Damn. Ooh, right here. Sheesh. Caught out the traffic again, but look at these views, guys. Fire views, man. Damn. Can't beat that, guys. Can't beat that. This and single turbo sounds. Here we go. I got you guys. I got you. If you guys aren't used to views like this, man, look at those mountains. They look big from here. I can only imagine what they look like even closer. Downshift right here. Oh, got a nice wall right here too. Oh yeah, car got out the way and said, oh yeah, big single turbo coming through. You know what it is. Everyone's cutting out my way, man. Fire view, guys, damn. Look at these mountains. Sheesh. Just made it to the Airbnb. Look at see, scrape height, straight out. Just pull up to the Airbnb. Yeah. Let's get it. Damn. More stories. Damn. Rooms go crazy.
What's going on in here?
Got the views on views. Damn, got fresh air. Gee. Oh, damn, look, no screen. Big wank. Another bath. Oh, someone blew that up. Ryan, what are you doing? That just smell like dookie, bruh. Gosh, another room. Little twin. Damn, he blew that shit up, bruh. God, didn't even give no warning, no nothing. Bro, that's... Like I said, we chilling right now. We're gonna head out to the casino in a little bit. Meet up with some of the boys. Jake Paul and, what is that? Nate Diaz are fighting tonight. So, who you got your money on? Comment down below. I got my money on... I want to see Nate Diaz win, but most likely Jake Paul's gonna win. But comment down below who y'all thought was gonna win, because by the time I put this video out, the fight's gonna be over. But who did you guys think was gonna win before the fight started? Comment down below. But look at these views though. Sheesh. Clean at. Look at these wheels. Look at turnout, guys. Damn. Damn. Look at that. Huh? Oh, it is. Two twin turbos under there. Got a little lunch right now, some fries. Look at these wheels.
With the snails, yeah, with the snails. What motor is it again? Oh, it's 426, okay.
Old schools, man. You guys like old school? This is the spot. Hot August nights. Look at this white, look at this car. I don't even know what this is. It just look clean. Look at that. Custom interior, custom paint. There's a Lamborghini over there, but out here, it's not even about those kind of cars. It's all about the old schools. Look at this drag car. Drag car. Probably fully built motor. Look at the tire on this thing. This thing's insane. Parachute, damn. Every build out here is either just full resto mod or just fully customed out. Super, super nice. At the GSR, if you guys ever able to make it down to Hot August nights, make sure you check out the GSR. All the clean cars. And even got a little snack, you know what I'm saying? So definitely check them out. I'm hanging out with the boys right now. Look at these cars. These cars are super clean. Yeah, air ride, custom paint. Look at that, wood grain. Damn, all these cars are just got everything done with Ford Giottos, Chevelle. I love these body styles, man. If you guys love old schools, comment down below, man. These cars are super clean. I love Chevelles, man. Damn, red interior too. Like, this is where it all began, guys. This is where it all began, guys. You can't sleep on the old schools, man. Like, this is where it all came from. Respect your elders, you know what I'm saying? That's what really comes from. You gotta respect your elders. Some of these are just too old for me, but certain ones like the 70s, Chevelles and stuff, gotta put respect on the name. Damn, okay. See, just the vibe, guys. Just the vibe. Little bleep on the throttle.
Whipping to him, pulling off the light.
Damn. Boy ain't playing. Look at the crowd.
Bang for the money, shit change over money.
Boy, SS, boy ain't playing. Chevelle out here, boy.
Lady, she gon' hit my line. We ain't gon' waste no time. She sucking and we fucking like she need me.
Big Wankster again at it. Big Wankster. Big Wankster. Ha! Big Wankster. Look at these 4Gs. Boy ain't playing. That's a SEMA build right here. This boy ain't playing. Shit. It's Caprice right here, boy. Put some respect on it. Hey, man, look at this rose gold, bruh. Look at that. See the dash, Holly? I think that's the biggest dash you can get. Boy, put some money into this car. That shit's hard. Look at that interior. Boy, this boy ain't playing. 4G's on that shit too, man. Look at that steering wheel. Hey, she bumped too. Woo.
On your mobile phone.
On 40s too, man. Cheers. Hey, under the lights. Hey, sun went down, y'all. Hey, 40. Damn, GT40. That shit's so hard. That shit's so hard, bruh. Woo, we got some. Oh, big body.
The next day.
Guys, this is the only Lambo here, twin turboed Huracan. He's actually from my hometown, so might have to see if we can do a video with him, man. This shit is, so he usually has a drag pack on it. He has the stock wheels on it right now, carbon ceramics. It's a Sheepy built twin turbo. I think this thing's making like 1,500 or 2,000. You guys can see the turbo right there. Some titanium work right there too. Super, super clean. Organic green too. You guys know this is my color. You guys know this is my color. Look how clean this shit is. Hey, one day, boys, trust. One day, boys, I'm telling you guys right now, mark my words, I will have a Lamborghini. I will have a Lamborghini on the channel. It's coming, guys. Hey, these things are a lot of money, so that's why you gotta work your ass off. Gotta work your ass off and you know what I'm saying, have the vision, because it ain't gonna happen with a snap of a finger. You gotta put in the work for it. But damn, in my color too. Hopefully inspiration for you guys too, because look at that, forged carbon wing. He has a forged carbon side skirts, and I'm pretty sure he has a lip too. Forged carbon front lip, Sheepy built. It's an LP610-4 all-wheel drive, so you know this thing off the line is fast as shit. Man, look at the pearls in that. You guys see that? Super, super clean, man. With a billet, freaking intake manifold too. Yeah, this guy's definitely put a lot of money into this car, so. Man, this thing is so clean. I can stare at this car all day. I can literally walk circles around this car, man. Do a quick little montage for you guys, man, because this thing is too nice. On the cards, boys. Oh, that's in case you smack that. What do you say?
I got 2 steps.
Oh shit, I'm already on track. Oh, this thing feels janky. This thing feels so janky. Look at this shit. Damn, this thing is so bumpy. This thing's some suspension. Damn, y'all see this shit? Behind me, he's right there. He's right there. Oh shit. He's right there. Damn. His shit might be faster than mine. First place. I'm gonna let him get in front of me so we can get a view. Yeah, let's go. I got his ass, I got his. Oh shit, he's breaking away, breaking away. Hey, we out here, Joe. We out here though. This thing goes like 15 miles an hour. I need some more pep. I need some juice. No suspension. This is on the last leg, guys. It's already over. Hey, though. Hey, not bad though. Not bad. Is that 255? Look at that. F30 with the apex. Oh, okay. Damn. That boy showed out.
He raced AJ when he was OTS.
Yeah.
But my car was fucked up, so I didn't take it.
That's just clean, bro.
Oh, we seen him on the freeway.
Oh,
We were
really?
bombing up on us yesterday, like around noon. Yeah, seen him
that-
on the freeway. I remember.
What you got done to it?
So right now it's full bolt-on with a Marcus GC Plus.
Okay, okay. You might be on YouTube? Cool, YouTube. Okay, okay. Can we check it out? Is it? Huh? He said, I don't do that. I used to how you like these wheels? I used to have these.
I hate them. They're on every car. So
Yeah, that's why I sold mine. I was like, let me go back to the stock wheels, but
when I saw it, I was like, I thought it was, but then I was like, nah, I don't think it is.